Hey besties, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer and I am a full-time data analyst in the tech space, and I managed to transition in the tech space without a computer science degree, just my microbiology degree. And what my channel is about is tech, lifestyle, and everything in between, the highs and lows, and how you can make it into the tech space as a data analyst. So if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and do all those type of things. So let's get into it. I think before we move on to anything else on my channel, I need to explain to you what a data analyst is, and to show you that it's not as technical as it sounds. It's actually really straightforward if you think about it. So I'm going to be going through an example just to make you guys understand what I do in my job. At the crux of it, a data analyst, simply put, is somebody who takes messy information, simplifies it, and gives it back to the person who needs to gain something out of it to make their lives easier. So basically, a data analyst will take the messy information, make somebody's life easier by simplifying it and giving some insights on it. I think a simple example that I could give you is your fitness app, because most of our phones have fitness apps, right? Which track how long we've slept, the steps that we take, and we use it for fitness purposes. Now imagine if you had to take your notebook and write down at 3 p.m. I got 100 steps, at 3:01 p.m. I got 200 steps. That would be strenuous. That's what the app is for, right? It's there to give you all the information that you need at a whim's notice and simplify it for you so that you don't have to do that manual labor. And that's essentially what a data analyst would be doing, but for businesses and at a larger scale. So a summation of what I do is basically take messy data and clean it, organize it, and then I create dashboards and reports to simplify a lot of manual work that other people like consultants or managers would do. And I would explain to them what the data means and how it's going to help their businesses be profitable or help them avoid bad decisions. Because let's face it, if your analysis is wrong, then a company can actually suffer a lot of financial losses. It can lead to a lot of termination. So it's so important that a data analyst has to be meticulous. And that's why this job is very important and pays a lot, because you need to be careful with what data you give out to a manager, because whatever your data is telling the manager, they're going to make a huge decision on that can affect the company and affect other people's lives within the company. And so now that we have got the basics of what a data analyst does and what we do, I'm going to move on to my next video, which is going to explain why I even transitioned to be a data analyst in the first place and why I left microbiology.